give somebody a piece of your mind. The idiom, give somebody a piece of your mind, is used to describe expressing one's anger, frustration, or dissatisfaction with someone or something. It means to speak to someone in a direct, honest, and often confrontational manner, letting them know exactly how you feel about a particular situation or their behavior. It is a way of expressing your strong opinion or criticism without holding back. Here are a few examples to illustrate the usage of this idiom. 1. Example: Sarah has been consistently late for team meetings, causing delays and frustration for everyone. Finally, her manager had enough and decided to give her a piece of his mind. Explanation: in this example, Sarah's manager is going to confront her about her repeated tardiness and express his anger and disappointment. 2. Example: after receiving poor customer service at a restaurant, John decided to give the manager a piece of his mind. Explanation: in this case, John was extremely dissatisfied with the service he received, and he intended to express his frustration and disappointment to the restaurant manager. 3. Example: Mark's roommate has been borrowing his clothes without permission, and it has become a recurring issue. Fed up with this behavior, Mark decides to give his roommate a piece of his mind. Explanation: Mark is planning to confront his roommate and express his annoyance and displeasure about the repeated violation of his personal space and belongings. 4. Example: during a heated argument, Lisa lost her temper and gave her sister a piece of her mind. Explanation: in this situation, Lisa became angry and unleashed her frustrations on her sister, expressing her strong opinions and emotions in a confrontational manner. Remember, using this idiom implies that you are going to speak your mind honestly and directly, even if it might upset or offend the other person. It is important to consider the appropriateness of using this expression in different situations and to communicate your thoughts respectfully.